Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to take apart your Taurus Pt92. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Alright guys, on a serious note, I'm going to show you guys how to field strip the Taurus Pt92, and then we're going to go ahead and clean it. So you will need a cleaning kit for a 9mm, and then you're going to need some kind of solution to clean it. I use G96 because I like the way that it cleans my gun, and afterwards it smells really good. So if you're ever like on a shooting range date, then you're gonna smell really nice. I wouldn't know because I don't go on dates. Alright, so your first step is you're gonna take off your safety, and then you're gonna release your magazine. Your magazine release is right here, so you just hit that and then remove the mag. Your next step is you're gonna hit this down, and while you do that, you're gonna move this lever down, and it's gonna release your slide. There you go, closer look, and it'll release your slide. So next, put your frame to the side. You won't be needing it. You are gonna take apart the barrel. So your first step here is you're gonna put some pressure on it, but be careful because it's gonna wanna jump out, so you don't want to lose that with the spring. And then you can take these two apart and put them to the side. Next, you're gonna take your barrel out. I'll give you guys a closer look as I remove this barrel, and you just toss right out. So there's your slide, put that to the side, and then your barrel. Now you can remove this part. I don't believe it comes off on the Beretta 92, but I leave it on there just because I don't really need to clean get that off in order to clean it. Your disassembly should look something like this, and let's go over the parts and clean them. Now, first and foremost, I like to spray these parts down, and then I just I let the solvent set in, just so that it can just get in there. So we'll leave that at that. As far as this slide part, I kind of did the same. I spray it down. Let me get that in the camera. You're gonna definitely want to hit the parts that rub together, because that's when you get most of your friction. Spray the whole thing down, and again, we'll let these sit here for a bit. Let the solvent get in there, and then we'll work on the barrel. The first step in cleaning your barrel is obviously spraying it down and get some in there. Okay, and now the cleaning tool comes in. Go ahead and attach your cleaning rod to the end. Your brush to the end of the cleaning rod, and then you're gonna run that through your barrel a few times as well. And now it's not even completely copper anymore. So yeah, do that a few times just to get all that solvent out of there. All that. Put some lubricant, some solvents on a fresh cotton patch, and then run it through your barrel again. Dirty. And spin it while you do that so that it can get all over the place. Yes, dirty. After you're done with your barrel, you're gonna want to work on your slide here, and again, you're gonna get into all these rubbing parts. Now, this doesn't come in your cleaning kit, but I strongly recommend getting a Q-tip so that you can get into all these little areas of your slide that you can't really get into with any of the parts offered in your cleaning kit. So, as you can see, it gets pretty dirty.
I know that I kept calling it a slide, but it's totally the frame. I meant to call it the frame, but I had a long day, so just ignore that part, guys.
So let's put this thing back together, and we're just gonna go in reverse order. First thing we're gonna do is put the bolt back in. And I know that you're gonna have this instinct to dry it off, but don't, because that kind of defeats the purpose of lubricating your gun. So keep it wet. Put the spring back, and then this is one of the tricky parts, is that you're gonna put it in like this. Oops. And you're gonna, and that's what you don't want to happen. So let's try that again. You're gonna put that in there, and then you're gonna put this right underneath there, and that is your spring being held in. And then you're gonna put it right back on your slide, like so. And then you're gonna move this forward so that it'll catch. Decock your hammer. So then you put your magazine back in. I use hollow points to avoid collateral damage. You know what, something's not right. Let's go ahead and put the 32 round Pro Mag on there. Yeah, it's clean, it's fresh. Let's put something a little different on there. Alright, so your gun is clean. There you go, guys. Let me know what you think. I already told you guys to like, comment, subscribe. You probably didn't, and that's okay. Keep watching for more videos.